Hi, hello children. Good morning to all. All are welcome back to your computer module. Hope all are safe and fine. Today you are going to learn a new topic about Microsoft Excel. So it is a spreadsheet software. Shall we start learning? Welcome to chapter 6, Introduction to MS Excel. So before we are starting this lesson, you want to know children, what is MS Excel? So basically, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that has many uses. It is used to store, organize, and analyze data. It is a very powerful tool used for numeric calculation. The main features of Excel is you can able to prepare charts, create formula, and also you can able to use functions, formatting cell, you can use auto sum feature and auto fill features and etc. So in this chapter you want to know what is spreadsheet first. Spreadsheet is a simple way to put your information in rows and columns. So by using spreadsheet, you can able to prepare bills. Bills means for items you purchase from the shops, no? So that bill is created by using spreadsheet. And also your report card. And also you can able to prepare your monthly balance sheet. So how much you are earning, how much you are spending. So like this, all these can be calculated by using spreadsheet. You can able to enter data and store it and organize the data in a proper way by using this MS Excel software. MS Excel is more powerful and advanced spreadsheet. Okay, it is a part of MS Office package. So VC Calc is the first electronic spreadsheet developed in 1978. And also in 1983, Lotus Corporation has developed one more spreadsheet. It is Lotus 123. Anyway, now we use Microsoft Excel spreadsheet software. So it is available in many versions also. Okay children. So today in this chapter, you are going to learn how to create a spreadsheet by using Microsoft Excel spreadsheet software. So our next topic is working on Excel. Our next topic is working on Excel. So in this topic we are going to see how to start Excel. So to start Excel, click on Start button, All Programs, and click on Microsoft Office 2007 folder, and then click on Microsoft Excel 2007. So now the Excel window appears on the screen. Clear how to start Excel children? So now after the window appears, you can see a screen like this. This is our Excel window. So in this Excel window, we are going to see, you are seeing the spreadsheet. Okay, so you are going to see the parts of the spreadsheet. So the blank spreadsheet look like a table. Okay, so you can see rows and columns. So a spreadsheet is made up of rows and columns. So when the row and column meet together, it form a cell. Okay children. So the rows are labeled as the number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the columns are labeled as letters, and it starts from A, B, C, D, E, F, and it goes till I, V. So there is 256 columns in one single spreadsheet. Okay, so this spreadsheet is also known as worksheet. Clear children? So while you start Excel, the Excel will provide you 3 sheets. It's defaultly provide you 3 sheets. So you can see sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. It is underlined at the bottom. Okay, and 2 sides you can able to see the scroll bar to move your screen. And then you can see ribbon, all the buttons together, and tabs are there, quick access toolbar, office button and title bar. So these are the main parts of a Excel window. So the cell which is selected, okay, it is surrounded by a border. It is called active cell. Okay, so cell means the row and column meet at a small rectangular area is called a cell. Clear, children? So these are the important parts of a spreadsheet.